Content creation is everything. Our goal here is to continue to build a platform that creates content and distributes content to our fans in a fast manner.
My role is to expand the way that we innovate around various technologies related to particularly media and media assets. Obviously, there are a lot of media assets just in terms of video, but in addition to that, there's traditional scoring data, there's tracking data, there's optical tracking data to layer on top of that. Over the course of the summer, we've installed the VAST Data platform in all of our arenas. That's 32 buildings.
We had to make a decision as we were trying to evolve and grow our data platform in the arenas. What we're doing now is we're continuously writing that data from the venue back to our studios and our offices as the game is occurring.
It's always very challenging, especially with HD, 4K, and 8K cameras, to bring content back quickly. And so we've worked with them to come up with a strategy using something we call the data space to allow all of that data to flow back so that content editors can do so very quickly without having to wait for long transfers to happen.
What we've done to set the table is to create a content platform that exists at the edge, at the venue where the game is being played. We have multiple data sources, whether it's our video, our game broadcasts, our camera angles, our hockey events-driven data and statistics. When you bring the content and the data and you have them sit next to each other and associate with each other, we can then build an engine that creates unique content from a variety of sources based on that game data and statistics, and then associating it to the video itself.
I've been working directly with the NHL, with Derek and Grant and team for the last several years. Over time, we helped them realize that taking their entire archive of nearly 100 years worth of footage and bringing it onto a central platform so they can do more with it.
VAST really was performant enough and deep enough to be able to store all of our historical assets. And the possibilities that exist with being able to chew through your media repeatedly, your entire historical asset, and produce insights while it's at rest on the data platform is incredibly powerful.
All of the entire archive of the NHL is in one place and is quickly accessible on the platform. So when a model needs to run, it has a way of understanding what's already been filmed, and so it has a better understanding of how to infer what's next. As VAST has evolved, we've evolved with the NHL and what their needs are. As people start to see what's possible, they can come up with new ideas for what they would want to do with it. We're just trying to make it easy.